until tomorrow. And after tomorrow, we're going to be closed too. Thank you.
When are you going to be open again?
We're going to be open tomorrow and after the next day. We're only going to be open on Sundays. Sundays and Mondays. Yeah. On May 21st, we're going to be open. And only on Sunday and Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we're going to be open. And Fridays and Thursdays. Stop, Peyton. No, not Fridays and Thursdays. James, no. James, I'm using her.
Sophia, let her use the microphone.
No, I'm not done yet.
Will you take turns?
We're going to be open on Sundays and Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And when it's my baby and when it's my pet's birthday, we're going to have a special pet party. We're going to have a special pet party. We're going to have a special pet party, and everybody is invited. Actually, Sophia, this is my pet buddy's cake. And we have...
Sophia, let's see.
So, yeah, let Peyton have a turn.
Peyton, I need the microphone after you. Okay. And on Sunday, my little puppy's birthday, he never gets guys, trying to sell him. That's right, on Monday. We're having a festival of pets. And the pets are all going to be stolen with no money, so they're going to be for sale. And after that, we're going to have some fun pet stuff, like pet stuff that are going to be died, and pet stuff that are going to be killing pets, and you can take your pets to that without driving them. They'll walk themselves in the invisible car, and that's going to be awesome. So, and I want to show you my favorite Ben. His name is Ben.
Are you okay, Peyton?
Keep talking until nothing happens. I need the key, just for a minute.
You just ran over.
I want to show you my dog named Ben. Ben, baby dog. Ben, come out, y'all. This is Ben. He's going to make a sale too. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. You can take her back. She can fix it right now. She has diabetes.